This is the pound Canadian dollar analysis for Friday the 6th of October. This analysis has been done for end of day trading, EOD, and it is using the daily time frame. So, what have we seen? We've seen prices come up all the way up to this. I've currently got a trade based on the shorter term time frames and on the pound Canadian dollar. This was a long, actually, it was actually an end of day trade. The long side, so I would have exited at this signal, having given up so much profit. So I did actually get in here on this. We've got this red triangle here. At the close of that candle, so I got in here. So I got in at what was that, 62.93, and we're currently trading at 64.64. So it's not a huge amount of profit because we have given up quite a bit, but it's a pretty decent profit nonetheless. Now I've been given a signal to the short side. Problem I have with taking this short now is we've come down into the 20 and we've got a 50 period right there underneath. Now we could potentially put in a higher low here, right there at 62.78, and we do see a wick on yesterday's candle from the downside, suggesting that prices did sell off, but was bought back up. We could go back up and test this 200 period moving average and the 6610 level before breaking out to the upside. Usually when I see moving averages like this, especially two large moving averages, so we've got the 200 period moving average and the moving average is quite a bit bigger than that. When prices do come down and those moving averages get closer and closer to a point, what usually happens is price breaks out to the upside and continues to the upside when we do have the two moving averages come pretty much just diverge on one another, which is an area where the 200 period moving average will cross this longer term moving average here and provide support for higher prices, especially on the daily time frame. But I'm going to just take the signal as it is. Now, where would my target? Let's just get the levels marked up. Again, this is very great. The candles doesn't have a very large size, so let's just get on with it. Stop our complaining. So, where did this candle open? Let's get this right. So this candle opened at 64.81 and this one closed at 64.81. So 64.81. Let's just change that there to orange. 64.81 and let's 64.81. So we got 64.81. That's our entry. Where's our stop? Our stop should be at 65.31. 65.31. Wow, that is just, that's a ridiculously small stop especially for a pound CAD. That's so volatile. Oh my gosh, I'm likely to get stopped out here. Like seriously. 64.81. My word, I'm likely to get stopped out. But you know what? Let's just carry on anyway. So our stop is going to be placed up here. Let's just see. Sorry about this. So the height is 65.31. Just double checking that. 65.31. Change this to pink. 65.31. Here's a 65.31. Wait, perfect. Now targets to the downside. 160 being the obvious level. 160 to the short side. For some reason, I'm just not that confident taking this short. It does appear that this does have a feel of a bull flag about it for a continuation to upside. But yeah, let's just stick to what we have. I've said that a couple of times now. So 160 being level, and you know what, let's just go above that level slightly. Let's just say 160. Where is that? What the? Come on. I'm not having that down all the way down there. And let's change the color. Yeah, 160.26. 160.26. So there's our target at 160.26. You know, likely we're going to be stopped out before we reach our target due to the size of the candle and where the stop is placed. But yeah, there's our take profit at 160.26. And if we have a look at the higher time frames before we head off, on a monthly time frame, wow. I suppose it could be argued that we've come into an area where we've had a triple bottom, where prices have come down to that 160, between the 160 and 158 level, and has been brought back up in most recent history. And it does appear to be happening again. So let's just go to the weekly time frame. Yep, so we have been being brought back up, so which is supportive bullish prices, even though we have taken a short. Let's just have a look at the weekly time frames. Weekly time frame. Yes, we did have the triple bottom. Prices appear to be pushing back up, and we did have. And what's happened? We've had a sell-off, and this most recent price action in terms of price changing below its open and a signal to a short side. I'm possibly looking for a quadruple bottom at this moment in time based on where my take profit is placed. So overall, you'd probably say with the triple bottom you're looking to be long biased, but the signal is to short side, so that's exactly what I've taken. And let's go to the daily chart. Yeah, that's exactly what I've taken. So that should wrap it up for the pound Canadian dollar. Before I go, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.